we're vlogging today. Vlog.
99-cent corn dogs at Sonic.
Hair on my.
Yes, we're gonna go get 99-cent corn dogs and what are the things?
Corn dogs?
No,
the slushies.
We're gonna go get some slushies and then we're gonna come home and we're gonna spike them. So you guys are just gonna come along with the ride and ride with us, eat with us, and whatnot. So buckle up.
Good.
And if the camera starts flying,
where the fuck is my damn phone? Oh.
It's loops up to grab it because the tripod on the car did not work.
Oh my god. It's hot back here now.
Hold on, the car just turned on.
The car did not just turn on.
Anyways, it's such a nice, pretty day outside.
Now you talking about the camera gonna fall over you zooming like this?
Oh my god.
Oh my.
Sorry.
If y'all could have seen the whiplash I just endured. Cause to you.
What's that one? What is that? I had nothing.
What?
What's that one?
I had nothing. She maybe came from nothing and now she got her food truck.
You stinkies.
Oh, that could be your guys' name, Stinkies.
Don't you pull up?
What did you want me to do? Not pull off?
Boy, don't pull up. How you been doing?
Sorry. It's about a 20-minute drive and people are driving really slow. And there is traffic at 3:35 in the afternoon. Make sure you guys hydrate.
Is that the same water from the gym? Talking about hydrate.
Oh my god, why she call you out like that? I'm not surprised. Some peanut oil fried rice.
And we can give them to Jasmine.
She can just smell the aroma.
We can just
and croak.
We can be like this with her.
Get your pretty feet up on my dash. Don't need to go nowhere fast. Let's enjoy right here where we at. Who knows where the road we're supposed to leave? We got nothing but time.
To keep
We're getting 99-cent corn dog.
Okay, Helga.
Uncle Earl with the cookout.
So we're here at Sonic. We're gonna just, you know, get our food, sit down, and chit chat with you guys. So, yeah. You use tots, Jasmine?
Yeah, medium.
Okay. Oh, we'll be with you soon. Waiting.
Oh, what did I eat today? I ain't eat nothing today. So. Not like you have anything else.
Can I get food? Hi, yes. Can I do 6 corn dogs? A medium order of the chili cheese tots. And then a large order of the chili cheese fries. Alright. And then that'll be all for now. Any ketchup or salt? Ketchup, please.
And mustard.
And mustard.
Race your order out quickly. Didn't they used to be on skates?
Yeah.
They're still on skates?
I hope so. Thank you. Okay.
Have you ever seen that video of that dude who was on skates and he fell so obnoxiously?
I think so.
Yes.
Yeah, he dropped the hook.
But I have seen a lot of them.
But there's like a main one that's been circling for like a few years.
Oh my gosh, guys, look. We all are wearing our matching Brazil necklaces.
Bing.
We like to match with a lot of things without meaning to. But yes.
Oh, accident.
After this, we're gonna get some nerd slushies, go back home, spike them, and then talk with you guys some more.
Oh yeah, you guys. Alright, got it. You guys. Oh my god, I can't wait to eat. Yes? Yeah. Oh,
Damn, I wish we had forks.
wait, they didn't give us forks?
No.
What kind of idiotic? Okay.
Hold on, keep that right there. Okay, so we're just gonna talk to you guys for a little bit and eat. The camera's dying, so if it dies while we're doing this, we'll catch you back at the house for the rest of the video.
It's so good.
Begging you. Put your loving hand on me.
The corn dogs are warm.
I'm gonna need some more mustard. Thank
Yeah,
you,
I'm gonna need
man.
some more ketchup.
Yeah, they gave you plenty of that shit. Yeah.
Oh, damn it, motherfucker.
I got my ear itch.
That little crunch right here.
Bitch, you bitch.
That was real crunchy.
I called you itchy bitch.
You what?
She called you an itchy bitch.
Why did you do that?
Damn, I wish I had a fucking fork.
When I turned around from you. Well, I thought there was a button for help. Help
You
me!
need somebody. Help.
It's with. Don't they have corn dogs?
Cookout, yeah.
What?
I never fucking knew that.
I never had a cook.
Oh.
I never had anything.
Yeah, I've
from
never had it, but yeah, they do.
it. Have y'all ever had cookout? Only the folks down south will know what cookout is.
Only the folks in North Carolina.
They got them
No, another state has cookout too, not just North Carolina.
in South Carolina.
Where in South Carolina?
I'm pretty sure they have it in Atlanta too.
You were loud, sir.
You rickety bitch.
What states have cookout? Oh, North Carolina, South Carolina, Alabama, Georgia, Kentucky, Maryland, Tennessee, Virginia, West Virginia, Mississippi.
Okay, so the South.
Yeah.
Well, except for Florida.
Yeah.
I wonder where in South Carolina.
Might have to be like, I was gonna say Columbia, but you
They
would
have them
known.
at the beach.
Really?
Yeah, they have a big one at the beach.
Murder?
I wouldn't know.
I don't know.
Look at my corn dog. I'm gonna do like the beauty rules. Hey, when you're done with your fork, can I?
It's just that. Can you what?
Use it.
Put your loving hand out, baby. Begging you.
Save me some fries.
Well, hurry up.
Where's the fork?
Oh my God, Amanda.
What? Are you fucking kidding me?
Oh wow, wow.
I could have been chowing down on these motherfucking fries 10 minutes ago. Damn, bitch.
Hold on, man. You keep moving the damn. No, because you savage. Let me get my corn egg, damn it. Let me get my other corn egg. Oh, hold on.
What's wrong?
Oh god.
I won't put more mustard down. Thanks.
I only got half a corn dog left. And I think I'm still hungry.
No, because I was like,
I'm gonna take me a hot dog home.
sorry. I didn't mean to grab at your finger like that.
If we take a corn dog home, we can just put it in the air fryer.
I said hot dog.
I know. I'm just saying, if we take a corn dog home,
You gonna load that bitch up?
No, because that chili cheese coney look good.
they do look good.
And that quarter, and that foot long
Number
quarter
7.
pound.
The premium beef hot dog look good.
Damn, the poop. What? Did I spit on you?
No, I was just like,
Because that's all good. Well, the camera's about to die soon. So, we're just gonna keep eating. And then we'll see you guys back at the house and stuff like that. So, catch you guys later. We're back at the house. And we got our slushies. And then we have our Bacardis. So we're gonna get our drinks.
but before we're gonna go rob a bank.
Wait. Oh God.
She's the getaway driver.
The first time seeing the children. Your buzz.
I don't know my name.
This is Luna.
Luna girl.
And this is Star, your sisters.
Bally gas.
Yeah, say
This
hi.
is the devil.
Say hi.
That's the less devil.
Say hi to the vloggy. Say hi, Luna. No. Say hi, Luna. Hi.
So mean.
Say hi, Star.
Hey, Star.
She's trying to tell her sister.
Hi,
You're so cute.
If you hear them
Go fight.
fighting, get out! They love each other, I promise. Okay. So yes, we have our blue raspberry slushies, and then we have our Bacartis, and we're gonna spike them. So yes. Okay, this one is. Come on, we gotta hurry up.
Got it. No. Oh wait, it went the wrong way.
Ooh, it's not focusing.
You can't see me. Oh, hold on.
Whatever. Anyway.
Tap the bottom for good luck.
Ooh, it feels dope.
Crack, crack. Ah! I can't open it.
I can't open it either.
I can't either. Oh, there we go. I can't get
Yeah. Okay.
Just gonna pour.
Ooh.
You're gonna have to stir real good. So I'm gonna stir it while
Oh God, hold on, no, cause. Okay.
You mix as you go. So loud. Mix as you go. Okay. Here, that's it right there. I'm gonna do this number right here. Hold on now. That's good. A little bit of twisty turny. Wait, y'all wanna squeeze up some limes in that too? Ooh. That would be fire. A little lime. Oh well, she getting it then. He's going back there, going to town.
Okay. We're gonna cut up some limes and plop it in here. I think I'm gonna squeeze the lime.
I'm gonna squeeze it then drop it in there.
This is good.
Yeah, I'm squeezing. If you couldn't tell by my suggestion, I'm gonna drop that one in there.
I'm gonna plop it.
Lord, I'm gonna do two. Oh!
We're gonna taste test now.
That's it right there. This good.
I need liquor.
But I don't taste mine.
I really don't.
I'm just gonna do a half of another one.
And I'll do the other half.
Do I have a cut? Oh, I feel the burn. Got a paper cut? Oh no. You know who you sound like when you said that? You remember in
Oh, I can't do this because
what's
it's
that?
gonna.
Bronx New Groove, where it was like a squirrel, and he was like, "Think I'm done? Think I'm done?"
I know exactly
That's what you sounded like.
Hi.
Stick, let it hit. My blicky.
Oh my God, breadfruit!
Dress up.
Ah!
It's
Oh my God!
good.
Jacqueline.
This is delish.
Put the tongue to the top of your mouth.
Shut up!
I want to be drunk.
I was in that box.
I wish I was drunk.
Well, let's show. We have tequila.
Oh my God! It will
It's still going?
Yes!
Wait.
I'm back.
Did you pour your mix?
No! I'm gonna break freeze in the middle of it.
We look like, you know, in Proud
Mr.
Family.
Kelly?
Yeah. We look like Mr. Kelly.
What would he be like? He'd be like, oh yeah, y'all. Dance break. Dance
Let's
break.
get our matching
Dance break.
outfits with me and Luke's. Aren't we cute?
I have a picture.
Yes, I'll show you guys Jasmine's outfit. You know how to coordinate with us. Oh, no, because...
This, she loves us this much. This symbolizes us. This is Jasmine. This is Amanda. And this is me. Real tears. Oh, running like a damn cameraman.
Brain freeze. Don't make no chugging.
What's wrong?
Brain freeze?
Okay, it's gone.
I've never had a brain freeze that bad.
Well, it was just like on the side of my head.
You put your tongue?
No.
To the roof?
That don't do shit.
It does.
Is the flash out?
I can't run right now. My run right now looks like I'm guilty. Besides, I cannot breathe without Sarah. I'm not leaving. Without my little girl. Okay, I will.
No, that's it, boy. Oh my God, no, you're the career father.
Our father.
Yeah, your daughter's
Ooh.
Hit me.
We're back in the car. We're going to the gas station to get more alcohol. And then I have to get my mom's lottery ticket.
We're gonna go get juice.
And then we'll show you what we get and stuff. And then we're gonna just have a little mukbang later of the food we got earlier from Sonic.
Oh my god, I'm so excited for that food.
No, I'm excited.
Wait, what is that? I'll go slow. Proceeds to stomp on the fucking gas. Do you not know how to, like...
I wish you would leave me alone. If you are gonna complain about my driver, we can have to get into your car.
You use that big toe. Exactly, like... you know the episode of SpongeBob where he popped that toe out his shoe?
We posted TikTok, so make sure you guys go watch them, and you know.
I'll put it on my Instagram story.
Oh, good job, Jamie. Good job, good job. The sun is setting. Look how pretty we look.
Golden hour.
Oh yes.
Like a black bob.
I don't know what to tell you.
We in church.
Okay.
What they got?
They don't got my dibs.
They don't got your dibs?
No dibs. No dibs.
They ain't got nothing in here. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. We've got choices.
You like my four pictures?
What you gonna get? You gonna get that?
I got my strawberry and my green.
My green apple?
I got the same thing.
You got the same thing?
What are you getting?
What am I gonna get?
Hold on. Oh.
I'm gonna try the blood orange.
Little orange.
And the strawberry.
Strawberry. Period.
Pretty drunk tonight. Stupid bitch.
Yeah.
Ooh. She's yelling at me. Let me in. Don't ever yell at me like that again.
We're back, and you see it's just me by myself because my friends abandoned me and.
Oh my god, what are you talking about?
But yes, we're back. We're gonna start drinking our drinks that we got, and we're gonna warm up our Sonic from earlier. We all got tenders, and then they got 2 hot dogs, and I got onion rings to go with my
Corn
tenders.
dogs.
Yes, corn dogs. Sorry. So we're just gonna warm it up real quick, and then we're gonna give you guys a little mukbang type of sit down chit chat and stuff like that. So yeah. Just gonna warm it up right now, and then we'll catch you guys in a bit. So we're back. We warmed up our food. Actually, let me give you guys a close-up. Get down. A close-up of our food.
Damn dog.
Give me 1 second.
Ooh, I am so excited, y'all.
Yes, we got our tenders, my onion rings, and we got 2 corn dogs, and our sauces, and then our drinks. Dassy.
I need like a little.
Yeah, I'm gonna try the signature sauce.
What's that?
It was ice.
What the fuck? And melted and go down.
Yes, so.
What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put these on this and rip off a little piece of the car. Time on my hand.
Let me try the signature sauce from it.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna try that too.
It's a little.
I can't give you this, honey. Get down. Daisy, let me hold this. It's good.
It's good.
What's the base of it?
It's like sweet.
Soybean oil. Soybean oil. Turmeric.
It was spicy. But if it was spicy.
Come on now. Come on, so funny. She be wanting spice.
No.
She be like,
No, certain spice. Certain spice. Certain stuff.
she's like, oh god. I'm gonna go back to burn my lips.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to go back. The way they be sucking.
No.
I haven't had it in months.
For the rest of this vlog, this is gonna be like a weekly, like a week vlog, because it's gonna have today and then Friday, because we're gonna go to Old News, which is like a vintage store here. They're having a $10 sale. So we're gonna go there, and then we're gonna go to Ikea and do a whole bunch of stuff. So
Oh wow, we have an action-packed day.
the vlog doesn't stop here, so it's gonna be a pretty long one. For our content, we were talking and saying that like the weeks that we have multiple things planned, we will do weekly vlogs, but then there will be some days where it's just like a dedicated video to just that day and stuff like that. Like if we do challenges, or it's just like a specific hangout that we want to record, a specific event and stuff. So we don't have like a set thing, it just varies on what we have going on.
You guys want to do high-low?
For what? For that?
Yeah. You go first.
What we do today?
Oh,
come on. I just buy it.
My high was getting this good ass food. Lately, I have been going to fast food places that I have not gone to in a very long time and realizing how fucking good they are. Like Taco Bell and now Sonic.
I love Taco Bell.
Taco Bell good as fuck. And now Sonic is good as fuck. But the closest one to me is damn Mooresville. Mind you, I live in Cornelius.
Some people may not know what that is.
Excuse me? Well, for some, if you don't know what it is, it's a bar.
Mooresville from Cornelius? Is that
It's
far?
unnecessary. No, because when you think about Chick-fil-A, how close Chick-fil-A, McDonald's, and everybody is.
Like when you think about going to a fast food place, you're only gonna drive like 5,
Right.
8
I'm
minutes.
gonna go up the street.
That's like us with Zaxby's.
Yeah.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
The closest Zaxby's is me?
No.
The closest Zaxby's
If it's like,
yeah,
like 10 minutes away.
my old house. Yeah.
Going to like university and stuff.
I'm so sorry. My low is damn Outer Banks. I just started it. I'm on season 1. Bitch,
We
I
already
can't-
finished.
Season 1.
I can't get through the last couple episodes of season 1 because it's pissing me off. John B didn't do it. And it's just like, why would nobody just explain the situation? Like Sarah Cameron. Girl. Girl.
Spoiler alert. Spoiler alert.
Season 1, everybody
Everybody
except
on
her.
Everybody on Outer Banks. And if you ain't on Outer Banks, I don't know.
It's so good.
Yeah.
The twists and turns.
Oh,
It
season
be having
3
you on your
had me
edge.
on the edge of my seat.
Y'all finished together?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
We was in Will's room like, oh my god. Oh my god. No. You.
I guess I'll do my highs and lows.
Oh, go ahead.
What were you gonna say?
I was gonna be like, you should start season 2 with us. We almost done.
I'm gonna say we might as well.
Yeah. I would have to say my high was honestly eating in the car with my besties, because that was actually really fun, even though I was paranoid about getting my car dirty, but I really enjoyed doing that. And just really enjoying these corn dogs.
This sauce is a lot better than that.
Start. She's eating her food.
She stopped. My low. Would have to be the dumb people on the road today. Because they were making me mad.
There were some dumb people.
I'm gonna let you guys know right here, right now. I find driving very overrated. I don't like to drive. I have a lot of anxiety driving. I am a passenger princess, and I will avoid driving at any cost. Star! Hey! Happily saved.
That's a cool one. I like those.
Okay, as I was saying, I honestly am a passenger princess. I have a lot of driving anxiety. I'm only comfortable driving to places that I know and I'm familiar with, or I rather not drive at all. But in this friend group, we do this nice thing where we rotate. No, I mean, it is a good thing.
It was just funny what you said. It's a nice thing.
We rotate. So yeah, but my low today was the people on the road.
My high for today.
Damn it. My another low is not getting 5 chicken tenders.
I just said the same thing. I said, what she got five? Hi, Luna. You can't have what I have.
My high would be
Hi.
just being adventurous today, honestly. Just be
Are you?
just being out doing different things. and being with these fabulous women.
Oh, Jasmine.
My low. This Star Girl, the dog, bit me on my ankle.
Yo, it's a crime how fucking pointy her teeth are. They're
Bit me.
pointy and tiny. And we know she's just trying to play, but it hurts.
It hurts so bad. They're so sharp. She didn't call me quiet now.
So yeah.
It is cringy.
There.
No, it's not. They are fragile and laid to the soul. I have a hot take.
What is the hot take?
You know when you get sauce and it's like a little. I got mustard on my. You know when you get sauce and it's like a little warmer, like room temperature, like when you first get the food, and then you have the sauce and you put it in the refrigerator. I hate cold sauce.
Oh, okay.
I don't like cold sauce because I'm like, oh, I had this sriracha from the other day, but my nuggets are hot and I'm dipping in that cold.
I see.
I hate cold sauce. I just recently found this out about myself. I was like, this is actually really good.
What are you doing?
If it's on the chicken, it needs to be hot.
Oh, like with like tossed wings and stuff.
You
It
had
needs to
cold
be
sauce on tossed in the wings?
I've had it like, you know when it gets cold? It's just not good no more.
One thing about
it needs to
me,
be hot.
foods that are meant to be hot, I will not eat cold. I don't eat cold pizza. I don't care. Anyway,
Okay.
Pizza's weak.
no.
Hear me
if
out.
food is meant to be hot,
Hear me
I'm gonna eat it
out.
hot.
Cold pizza?
No. I want my cheese melting.
It be
I want
smacking
that
sometimes.
sometimes, and it's never the time
Sometimes.
for me. No.
I used to eat it for breakfast, so we would run out of cereal sometimes.
You can't just pop into the microwave for 30 seconds.
I would be rushing. It'd be 6:30 a.m.
That was before school?
She also had Joseph.
Yeah, I had to,
And they had school at 7:15.
and I had to go with them.
I see.
From the economy. Spammers.
But yeah, food that's meant to be cold, I will not eat. Food that's meant to be hot, I will not eat cold. It needs to be heated up.
I just don't like cold sauce. It's just not right.
If it's like,
Ketchup?
yeah, if I got, cause we put our ketchup in the fridge so it lasts longer. That's just what we do.
Hot sauce? Cold.
What?
No,
we put hot sauce in the refrigerator?
You're supposed to.
Oh really? We don't.
Really?
We
You're
don't,
actually supposed to.
we don't keep our hot sauce.
At least Texas Pete, I know.
we keep our Texas Pete in
It
the
says it
seasoning
on the
cabinet.
bottle.
Oh.
Well, we don't have Texas Pete.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Well, if you don't have Texas Pete, maybe not.
Well, keep our Texas Pete in the cabinet.
Yeah, because the one we have doesn't say that.
If it don't say it, then fine. I mean,
Cold hot sauce? I don't like cold sauce. And don't get me started on ketchup.
start.
Oh yeah, you don't like.
Stop, honey.
You don't like ketchup.
She banged on the chair.
Star.
Did she do that?
No.
She stopped. You're so cute.
No, because my dad had some chicken nuggets from Burger King and I took one. Like I snatched one before he left. Or before I left and he didn't see. That nigga was good.
Really?
Yes, that nigga
On
was
the
good.
way to Greenville? Okay, we stopped at Burger King.
It's not a Burger King?
That burger was not good.
Bro, the
There's so
chicken
many
nuggets?
other places you could have stopped.
No.
We were hungry,
It
and it was
nothing.
before Greensboro.
I was gonna say if y'all would have just got the
No,
Burlington,
but
that's
listen.
Chick-fil-A.
No, but that's the thing though. We were driving and we were like, okay, Greensboro is an hour away from ECU.
Y'all barely got into the trip then.
Listen,
We were so hungry.
but listen, and they were like, we need to eat now because we're gonna get canes.
Yeah, we were gonna
and
eat
we
right
don't
when
want
we
to be
got there.
hungry. So they were like, it's either we get food now or we starve. And mind you, me and Justin did not eat breakfast or nothing.
I was hungry.
We were starving. I had just woke up from a good nap too, and my stomach was growling.
I was like, find a place.
We got off I was like, okay, just get off the next exit. It was Burger King. But that was the worst burger
It
King
was
I've
so
been
nasty.
to.
The chicken nuggets were like cardboard.
Where were y'all at?
Girl, we don't know.
I don't know.
We don't know.
Well, if it was in between, like right before, then
It was right before Greensboro.
yeah, it wasn't that good.
Yeah.
But if you would have just pushed a little bit to Burlington,
Listen.
Burlington, Garden Road, that Chick-fil-A, and even if you went, it's Chick-fil-A and then Zaxby's. You had options.
And I think I didn't want Chick-fil-A, nor did I want anything big. Because
Yeah,
we
she
were
didn't want
getting,
Chick-fil-A.
because we were getting canes.
My canes was good too.
It was. They were stuffing bears and all there.
What?
There's stuff in there.
You remember that they had the little
What were we about to say? Oh
yeah.
What were we about to say?
I was like,
As long
I'd rather go to the Charleston one.
there's a King Charles?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
As long
But
as
ain't that 2 hours?
no, Charleston's 3.
It's about the same.
But
I'm just saying it's more.
to do in Charleston.
You go to the beach.
Listen,
Oh.
as long as I don't have
You don't go
to.
to ECU and park.
As long as I don't have to drive, we can go anywhere.
I only suggested ECU because I know how to get there.
Charleston is actually pretty easy
Charleston's
to
a
get
straight
to.
shot.
Honestly, you've been to Columbia. You just keep going past Columbia on down on a straight road.
Oh, you can take 77 to go to Columbia.
Yeah, you just go straight down past Columbia, and then once you get past Columbia, I think it's like another hour and a half.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's not a bad drive. My parents
Well, then it
used to do
shouldn't be
all the
3 hours. Because Columbia is, hour
To
and a
get
half.
to get right to Charleston, the beach, it's like 3 hours or
time.
something.
The beach, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, never mind.
Like from like the city part to the beach, it's like a
Well, it don't even matter because the math is would still be 3 hours because I was gonna say an hour and a half is to Columbia and then another hour and a half. That's 3
Yeah,
hours.
but there's a lot more to in Charleston. You would like Charleston. You've
I've
been,
been,
but you went with what, a school trip? Or you?
When I went to Charleston, it was cool. I liked it.
I like
10
Charleston.
minutes.
They had a little bacon,
3 hours and 10.
a little bacon market.
Look,
Yeah.
like I said, I'm down to go anywhere as long as I don't have to drive.
Honestly,
We can have you drive in Charlotte, and then once we get out of Charlotte,
Yeah. See
because
that?
you can do a little something.
I can do a little something.
You can do
But
something.
once I get on Tyvola,
Okay, that's nowhere.
Tyvola is wrapped.
you take Tyvola?
When-
Oh, well, from y'all.
Yeah, from us.
When we
here.
go to Myrtle Beach, yeah, we take.
When we went to Columbia to see Post and we took Tyvola, y'all, when I tell you, my anxiety was off. I started crying in the past. I texted y'all.
Oh yeah, because there was an accident.
No, it wasn't even Jasmine. It was before the accident, and then the accident happened. I was literally crying. I was sitting there in silence.
You were driving?
No, Will was driving, but just being on Tyvola, I was sitting there. That was when my anxiety was really bad. I was sitting, and then all of a sudden, I was just looking, and I just started crying. And then I saw the accident, and then I started sobbing. And that's when I texted y'all. I was shaking. I felt nauseous. My vision started getting blurry. It was so bad.
Goodness me.
If anybody can relate to anxiety driving, comment down below. So
Driving anxiety.
driving anxiety.
Anxiety driving?
If you're a passenger princess, put a heart down in the comments like this. Like this.
Yeah.
But yes.
Anyway.
Stop.
I'm so excited for our road trip to Florida.
Stop.
We're gonna be sitting there all cute in our little comfy outfits. I'm gonna be in my biker shorts and oversized t-shirt with my snacks and my iPad with movies.
It's already 90 degrees in Florida.
Oh, what is it right now at nighttime? Let's look.
Really?
Oh, it's already 90 degrees. I watched somebody's vlog and they were in
I'm gonna be in
Florida.
I'm not gonna be in any clothes when we go.
62 right now.
Yeah, I'm trying to be in a bikini all day
No, because
and a little throwover.
Excuse me.
that was horrifying.
Oh, Florida's gonna be so much fun. And we gotta do our vision boards for our outfits and our stuff.
Uh-oh.
We can do that tonight. Because we ain't got nothing to watch.
Yeah. I don't think I'm watching anything.
You don't want it no more? No, it's pissing me off. I'm watching like I haven't seen it before. I was in it the whole time.
so angry because
The rest of
Well,
our
how much
trip.
y'all got left?
I have.
I'm here.
I'm here.
Where you at? Whoa, I'm up here.
Let's just chug. Fuck it. Let's go.
We'll just go until we can. 1, 2, 3.
No, I was expecting.
No, because I forgot it faces up like that.
It hit my ear.
Yes, they hit both. Ooh.
Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna go see
I want my drink.
Where do I find out?
I got it. Oh, no, she's not in
With your whites. Yo.
You know what sounds good?
Are you? No, cause you don't want that. No. What do you get? Oh, the strawberry things. What are you about to say? No, these. I was thinking about these. I love it. I put them on.
What?
These right here are addicting. Ooh, you mad? Wow. Oh,
You next, Bert.
oh, that felt so good. That alleviated.
Vlog. Hey, we're a little booked up.
Tipsy. I'm still behind.
Damn, I'm sorry. Come on, come closer. Let's go see her.
Tipsy. God. Tipsy turvy.
This is
Topsy
really
turvy. Tipsy
Hey,
turvy.
hi, Star. Luna, come on.
Star's trying to bite me.
Hey, Luna girl. Hi. Say hi.
I don't see why we can't get famous. We are some sexy bitches.
We're a hoot.
God.
We're funny. F-U and then
I look lazy. For
Star. Chill out.
thumbnail. Smile.
Oh,
Yes.
Luna, lick my
But
ear.
yes, guys, this is the end of today. Mind you that we're still gonna have another continuing part. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Hit that bell for the notification.
Yes, to the best trio on YouTube. So yes, we'll see you guys on Friday for thrifting and Ikea.
Oh, that's gonna be fun.
Yes, we love thrifting and Ikea. Thrifting and Ikea. Thrift. See you guys.
Wait, is he coming to Old Nose with us?
Yes.
Oh.
We'll see you guys Friday for our thrifting and Ikea. Bye. Hi vlog. We're back. Today is
Friday, the 17th.
yeah.
Patty's Day.
Oh yeah, Friday the 17th.
We really don't give a fuck. St. Patrick's Day is not a major
and I'm not
holiday.
wearing green.
I was repeating the sound.
And then shut up. So we're gonna go to Old News, which is the vintage store for their $10 sale. And then later today we're gonna go to Ikea. So just join us for the ride. So yeah. And oh. So yeah. Bye. So, we just bought our clothes. They're in trash bags because they don't have shopping bags.
At
But
least they get the scented trash bag.
Right.
yeah, the hefty. So we're on our way home now, and then we're gonna give you guys a haul. And then after that, we're gonna go to Ikea. So yes, just stay tuned for our little haul when we get back to the house. And yeah, we're gonna do an OOTD, outfit of the day. Yes. So Jasmine, you can go first.
All right. Here we have gray sweatshirt. We've got my Brazil necklace on like always. These black, white lined pants with these pink and light pink Pumas and rings. Oh, and a bracelet.
All right, we hit a all black number today. We got this black sweatshirt that I got from Amazon. I like to cut slits. Also, I heard this from Mouse Begat on TikTok. Shout out to you. The split, and then I put so the necklaces don't like look awkward or stupid over the sweatshirt. So I do a little split. Plus, the hand sweatshirts be tight as hell. Anyways, black sweatshirt. These black ribbed pants. And for St. Patrick's Day, man, I can't put my phone. Babes.
Oh, I turned it like that. keys, rings, necklaces. Oh, that's one. And here's two. Boom.
Ew. So this is my outfit. Hold on, because I love this hoodie. This is my Post Malone hoodie. Look at the back. Look at the back. Look at the back. Posty post. Isn't it cute? Isn't it cool? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And then I have on my black and red Dickies. And then I have on my platform Converse. Jewelry is just my Brazil necklace, and then my promise ring, and then my nails, and then yeah, that is our OOTD. OOTD.
See you guys back at the house with a little haul.
Yes.
Haul coming for you in the next clip. Go.
Okay, so we're back at the house. We're eating. This is my sandwich. I got an Italian stallion. I forgot what's in it. This is Loop's sandwich. She got a
Chicken melt.
chicken melt flying around your head. This is Jasmine's sandwich. She got a ham and cheese. Say hi to Luna. Hi vlog. We're back.
Yo.
My friends.
We're on our way to Ikea.
And we have a special guest. William!
Hello.
Are you excited to be vlogging with us and be in our video and spend the day with us?
Very excited, yes. I can't wait.
Okay, anyways, we're going to Ikea because William needs to get some stuff for his room. So we're gonna walk around, and then when we get to Ikea, we will see you guys there.
Beautiful. I have no worries.
Friends!
I'm camera shy.
So, I'm getting these 2 fat oils from NYX and then a NYX butter gloss.
Hold on. What is?
I'm getting nothing.
Loops. I'm trying to get it to focus.
Let me get in here.
Oh, there we go.
Get in there to do what?
Yeah,
Show us your
I forgot
sample.
which one's which now.
Loops.
They both look kind of similar.
The mintiest one is the Chanel one. I got a putty bronzer. I got some fat oil,
This is
fat,
what I
and a NYX butter. These are so nice. And I had one and it was really pretty, and it fucking broke.
I have a lot.
I got a free sample
Free sample.
of Chanel.
Chanel?
Why? So I'm trying to get a sponsor. Sponsor me.
Okay.
Okay, and then... What did you get, Jasmine?
I saved money. That's what I did.
Okay, bye. Why y'all barefoot?
Can you put my shoe in there? You can put it in. You can put it in.
Open it, babe.
Open it.
Babe, open it.
Most of that stuff you gonna put in the wardrobe.
Oh, Jasmine.
What'd you get, Will? What'd you get? William?
He's filling out the safety form.
What'd you get? Here we have his wardrobe that he's gonna put in his room. You get a load of this. 3 parts. Get a load of this. What's the load? Man wants us to rearrange his room. You paying us? No, cause are you paying us? Cause that's a lot of work. You got a lot of clothes.
Hey, $12.50. Let's get up.
You're welcome.
Let's go.
Have you scanned all items?
Oh, yes, your boy has.
Postal code, postal code, postal code, postal code, postal code, postal code.
It's raining.
Cover? That's why I asked if he had a creeper. Now it's gonna get wet. Cardboard gonna be wet.
You know what's so funny? And she said, I'm gonna rain for the rest of the day.
Now it's gonna be raining. Now if the wood gets warped, that's gonna be a waste of money. It's gonna be over there as it is.
Hello, peoples of America, or internationally if you want. We're back from our exciting day. We're just gonna close out the weekly vlog with showing you guys our haul, and yeah. Who wants to go first?
I'm gonna go first. I gotta wash my hands.
Yeah, I'll go first. So I got 3 items. It was a $10 sale. Let me get closer. Okay. So the first thing I got was this little small Harley Davidson. There's nobody there.
Huh?
Nothing. I was like, there's nobody in there.
I'm trying not to touch it.
Oh, this is like a Harley Davidson little baby tee crop top type thing. Yes. I got another Harley Davidson t-shirt. A lot of their stuff is just Harley Davidson, but that's fine.
It's cute Harley Davidson.
Yes. So I got this t-shirt on a motorcycle, and then it has this on the back. And then the last thing I got was this little corduroy little blue what? Little blue button-up thingy.
What is it? A manscaped.
Oh.
It says the lawnmower. Oh.
So then it's this little thingy, and yeah, so those are the 3 items I got. Put those to wash.
Alrighty. I done. First off, this is mine. This is mine. We got a nice little Harley Davidson. Here.
Don't put.
Now why would you do that? This is what you're gonna get jumped for.
Exactly.
Really just
We're gonna
jumbled
take
this
it.
up in here.
No, we're gonna take this next piece that she's gonna show y'all, beat her up for it, and throw her in
We gonna jump up at it.
Alright,
this
next.
one right here.
We have another Harley Davidson.
She won't even wear it right.
It is. Now I'm not gonna let y'all borrow it.
Oh,
It's kind of
I know where you
The
live.
nice no you don't. Me too. The nice little Harley Davidson on the back. Lastly, we have Lobo. Tour shirt.
Oh wow.
Tour shirt.
Sound like a white lady from Wisconsin.
Great.
That's all I got. Now get your big old bag.
Say the best. Say the best.
That was Jasmine. That was not me.
Save the best for last.
I got a little bit more than 3 pieces.
Yeah.
First, we're gonna start off.
No, he really did just switch it up
he
just
just
that
did.
big day.
We're gonna start off with this nicely worn Corey Carhartt shirt. I say Corey because
The name was Corey. Focus on me. Corey. What I'm gonna do with this one is I'm gonna cut it and I'm gonna have it fringed a little bit. Y'all see the vision. You see it. Get it. Okay, next we have this Nike dry fit. Now, I know this is long sleeve, but it's a thin sweatshirt. And it's nice. I can wear it with some shorts. And then we got Boo Boo for us, by us. It's a back in the day black owned the clothing. And look, I got Fat Albert in the junkyard gang. Look at him.
Fat Albert.
Anywho,
When he jumped to the TV.
next piece these, we have this Harley Davidson number. A little muscle tee. So we're gonna see how I feel because I don't really like muscle tees.
Does that say hillbilly on the back?
So do say hillbilly. Hillbilly Gatlinburg. Look at him. Look at her ass.
Gatlinburg.
Okay. Next we have Hog Happening. Hog Happening. Look at her. 2012. Hog Happening. Look at the hogs. Hog. Okay. And then finally, last but not, I feel like I missed something.
No, you got all of it.
Oh, okay, I got it. Anyways, last but not least, we got these Nike track pants. Bada boom, bada bing. I wish they were black, but blue will do. Ooh, bars. Anyways,
Well, yes,
thank you.
that was our haul and our vlog. And yes, that's all we have for y'all, folks. So make sure to do the usual, the like, comment, subscribe,
Hit the bell notification.
and tell everybody know about us and
Share.
follow us on our social media platforms. And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.